Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. I want to start the video by saying this. There's going to come a time, I was just thinking about this and I was like, I got to tell you guys this. Guys, there's going to come a time where we hit 35 cents again, 50 cents. I really do believe that. I don't think crypto's going away. I don't think Dogecoin is done for. What I think we're seeing is actually something extremely healthy, and I'm going to go over the psychology of a market cycle in this video. So please, if you have any money in Dogecoin or you're trading this like I am, I personally have money in Dogecoin. I'll show this to you guys right here. I bought 5.24%. No, it's not an incredible amount, but $5,000 is still $5,000 that I care about. So I want you guys to watch this video because I want to give you guys some hope. This is actually a very good thing, which as far as the psychology of a market cycle, we could be moving into a second pump phase here for a lot of cryptocurrency. So I want to encourage you guys on this video, and I'll cover everything you guys need. Currently, we're sitting at, on this channel, 91 for 91 wins. We have never lost a crypto trade. Even though some are in drawdown right now, and I'm with you guys, we've never lost a trade, and I believe this market's going to come back, okay? In the second half of this video, I'll show you guys how to get into our Telegram channel, how to take every single one of our trades, because we literally have never lost one. I'll show you guys how we're doing that in the second half. I want to get into the analysis right now, though. Okay, let's start with this. Over the weekend, what did we see? We saw a little bit, honestly, of a bull rally coming into Saturday and Sunday, and then halfway through Sunday, moving into last night, we just saw the markets crash back down. This was not surprising. I'll say that. If you look at Ethereum and Bitcoin, the trend exhaustion was pushed in the top red section, as well as money flow was high. That was right within these three candles right here. That was what's called the drop. I just came out with Ethereum video, guys. We really needed to hold that 3,900 level, and we just broke it. And it's happening like literally right as I'm recording this video. It's not a bullish sign at all. Bitcoin must hold $4,700 here. Excuse me, 47,000. Or this thing can easily move down another 5 to 8% at structure low. So with that said, let's come over here and look at Dogecoin, because this is positively correlated, which means when Bitcoin and Ethereum go down, usually Dogecoin goes down. Okay. We are sitting down here on Dogecoin at the bottom section here, as well as for the bottom section for the price versus wall money flow, the wall money flow being green, the price being in pink. When we do come down to these levels, we are seeing actually nice bounces here. And I'm going to show you guys with the metrics here in a second that actually long trades are increasing on the blockchain and short trades are moving out, which means that people are actually looking to buy the dip, which is a bullish sign. So yes, could the crypto market move down further, and could we hit 10 cents for Dogecoin? Yeah, absolutely. Look at the price structures. If you look at Bitcoin, where this is at, could Bitcoin move down and actually come down to the structure here of a low, let's say right around $40,000? Yes, that can absolutely happen. Can Ethereum come out here, and can Ethereum actually come down and hit the structure low of what I called on the channel of like 27 to 28? Yes. If that happens, that is going to push Dogecoin, in my personal opinion, down to about 10 cents. Okay, look, let me just be clear here. If it goes below wick low, which we can see was over here, and it crashes even like double down, you can easily see that if it comes back down to wick low here, if we're calling the same structures, that can easily push us down to this level about 10 cents. This is why I've been having these buy limits set up so low for so long, is I understand this can happen. Okay, let's watch this a little bit more. Although we're seeing a possible bounce here, honestly, in the market soon for Dogecoin, we could see a little bit further move down, and that's why I'm going to show you guys in the second half of the video how to set up buy limits so you're secure and you can honestly buy insurance for yourself for Dogecoin if the price goes down, and you actually get better entries as the price goes down when more buy limits are hit because your break even goes down with you. Okay, so let's go over this. I'm going to show this to you guys real quick. Let's go over this, and then I'll show you guys the metrics. I want to come here. Let's just reverse this and go to resources. So you guys are going to go tradeconfident.io resources. Take a look at this. Psychology of a market cycle. This is pumped out by Wall Street. They only show this move right here, but they even actually show the depression phase, but then a disbelief rally. We are absolutely, for Dogecoin, we are absolutely in the anger and depression stage. This is a better way of looking at it, which is what Bitcoin's already been through. And this was down by Phil Deltalytics, okay? We saw the pump in Dogecoin already. Let me go back and forth so you guys can see this. Let's get a bigger time frame out here. So I want to you guys got to see this because I know a lot of people are giving up hope for Dogecoin and a lot of different coins, but you need to understand how the market moves. It's actually very healthy for this to happen. So follow me. A nice move up here in price structure, and then a nice move back down. Capitulation stage is basically a definition of that is everybody surrenders and they give up and they just sell. Okay. What happens a lot of times is you see moves down and you actually start creating a structure support on the charts. See the structure support right here that's coming out? This is what's happened with Dogecoin. We've come up. You guys can clearly see the impulse move, the psychology of a market cycle, bounce off support, a bounce off support, a bounce off support. We are creating this support structure here. Now, can it go lower? Yes. Bitcoin actually shelved off here and scared the heck out of a bunch of people and started to go down, anger set into the market, and people just gave up and they sold. But right after that, we started to move into the second pump phase of Bitcoin, and then we started moving up. Guys, this is 2017 and 18. Bitcoin at the moment is like literally way up here. So just because Dogecoin like it is new, it doesn't mean this cannot happen to that coin again. There is still a cult following around Dogecoin that if this thing starts pumping up here, we can easily see some nice moves back up in the market. And like, look at this. Well, you guys know where Bitcoin went. Bitcoin went way higher. If we at least got a 50% retracement back on the high, we can look at this around about 50 cents. Okay, that's why I'm saying I'm not giving up in Dogecoin. I'm in Dogecoin. I still have buy limits set up, honestly, down to 2 cents for Dogecoin on the personal portfolio. And you'll see that, well, you won't see it today, but I'll talk about it more. You guys need to get in here and start riding this back up. That's honestly what I believe people should be doing, is buying this market and not selling. I'm going to come out with a video, guys, and I'm going to be like, hey, we hit 100 for 100 wins, and Dogecoin's back at 50 cents. And everyone's going to be like, man, I really wish I bought at these lower prices. Okay, let's go over here to the metrics here, and I want to show you guys something of why this is actually getting pretty bullish. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is going to update here in 37 minutes. Okay, we're looking at this. Take just a little breather real quick. Where is the emotional index sitting? Okay, this is what you guys need to be watching. When the emotions of the market, I'll be honest with you guys, this is retail traders in here, and this isn't smart money. Smart money follows another metric, which is literally almost exactly opposite of what retail traders are doing. We don't trade with emotion on this channel. Emotions are going to make you fail, okay? When anxiety is entered into the market here, this is when Wells and institutions buy. Can you guys just pause with me for a second? Do you see the high on Dogecoin? And do you see how ridiculously low we are? Why are more people not buying? And I'm talking to the mass majority here, because a lot of people are selling out here, and they're just like, the only way you get a red candle in a flash crash is because people are selling. I'm not going to sell my positions. I'm holding every single position here. And I think if anything, I've told this to some of the clients that I have who are millionaire traders. I'm like, guys, if you've got more money on the side, just like I did, I injected another $50,000 into the exchange. I'm like, I'm buying this thing. Guys, I don't care if this goes down to 80,000 and I'm down 20%. If that happens, I know a ton of my buy limits have been hit. And as we go back up, this account's gonna actually exponentially increase in speed so much faster because more money's in the market. I want this to go down to 85,000, 90,000, because that means more buy limits get hit, and the buying opportunity when it gets down that low is going to be insane, and that is where millionaires are made. It is made down at these lower prices. I know some people who became millionaires based off buying in at 5 cents, and we're not too far away from that for another pump move back up. Based off psychology and market cycle, it could happen. Okay, let's keep moving here, and I'll get you guys into the next trade setup here. Long for short trade on the blockchain. Great news, guys. Short trades are moving out. Shows us confidence is not strong for moving down further. Long trades are moving up. This is a bullish sign. Is Dogecoin moving down right now? Yeah, it's moving down because it's correlated, and it's a lot of times tied to what's happening with Ethereum and BTC. Watch for this possible bear trap to the downside and then a move back up here. It's not good that we broke that. I'm going to be honest, guys. It's not good that we broke it. We really needed to hold that. But for Dogecoin, I want you guys to be watching this because this is bullish. There are times where altcoins can move separate from BTC and Ethereum. Go back on May 15th and look at ADA where it had an all-time high and Bitcoin crashed about 30%. It is possible for people to get behind these coins and pump them while other coins and even the majors go down. Okay, we've seen it many times. It's not a true thing that everything has to go down if Bitcoin and Ethereum go down. Okay, let's move down here further. Where is the actual favor in the market? Is it on long trades or short trades? I honestly, guys, believe this is sitting on long trades. Getting into the market and getting money in now and holding this for the long run is where the greatest potential is going to be. Like, I've already seen into the future of this. I have already traded through the 2016, 17, and 18 bull market and crash. I owned an entire business on YouTube here where I created I think I almost created over 1,000 videos on YouTube. It was ridiculous. Where I traded all the way through the 2017 and 18 pump and crash. And I've been through this already. And it's like, guys, This is where you need to be buying. This thing it can happen again. It's just simply the first move of the psychology of a market cycle to then see another pump. I really do believe that's what's going to happen here. Well-known institutions and smart money. We've seen nothing but acquisitions of long trades in the market here. Why? I don't believe people should be selling, because here's the thing. The moment you take a short trade on Dogecoin being this low, your chances of it actually being in profit are so much lower. And I think people are realizing that, and that's why short trades are moving out, and they're like, we honestly don't have confidence in this moving down too much further. If people did, guys, Bitfinex is the largest exchange in the US to short. Okay, it flows the most volume for shorts. That's why I have this on here. If people were confident of this heading down further, short trades would be going up. It's not. Short trades are getting the heck out of the way here, and they're like, no way, we're not doing shorts anymore. They're switching their positions, and they're going long. They're buying the dip. So this market could have a very fast turnaround. It could psych people out and freak people out going down here, but it could actually get extremely bullish here, and I want to cover both sides of the market on this channel. Okay, looking at support and resistance prices, yes, it's possible to go down to 12 cents and 10 cents again, like I mentioned to you guys, but it's also possible to come back up here to the quarters theory level of right around 25 cents, which if we look at that, that's very close to our entry. I know it's really far down here, guys. If this thing comes up to the entry here, we're going to be doing maybe $6,000-$7,000 profit in the exchange. It's going to be amazing. Do not give up hope, guys. Don't give up hope. I want to just say that. It's sad, some of the emails that we get of people just giving up hope on crypto and honestly their lives, which is just absolutely detrimental when we read those emails. No one's done anything. No one's gone through with it. I know kids watch this channel, so I want to be careful here. No one's gone through with that, but we've got a lot of people getting, saying that they don't like how they're living. Okay, I want to be careful how I say that. So, here's the thing, guys. Life is more important than anything else. Okay. Life is more important than anything else. It's just money. You can make money back. My wife and I have literally gone from, Medi-Cal to millionaires to Medi-Cal to millionaire. Like, we've done both of them. Life sucks so much sometimes, but you cannot give up hope. Honestly, guys, my belief in Jesus, it's helped us through so much. I'm just going to put that out there. It really has. So anyways, I didn't honestly mean to turn that into this type of a video at all. It's just something that just hit my heart, so I just want to share. Okay, guys, let's get back into here. You guys are seeing the price super low right now. This is coming out and it's telling you, hey, you know what? This market is so low now. This is honestly times to be buying. This is what happened, guys. People have already been through this emotional phase where it headed down so low for Dogecoin right when we honestly didn't think this was going to go any lower, because people are like, oh my gosh, we literally just crashed all the way out. What happened? We saw a huge crash from the high. People gave up completely. And then what do we see after that? We saw the nice pump back up in the market here. And then people got really excited again. Guys, just because it goes down once doesn't mean it can't come up again. So stay hopeful in this market. That's like my number one thing is stay hopeful. It's not like, I'm coming out here and being like, you just have to stay hopeful just to like give you guys some false hope. No. Like, from a blockchain perspective, long trades are entering into the market. And guys, think of this. And this is basically showing us exits, and we don't have any yet. I want to keep talking here. Think of it like this. Why would all these big hedge funds who have billions of dollars in the market just want crypto to go away? You guys, honestly, they're making so much money off retail traders. It's the retail traders who are giving them the liquidity. Why would all these big institutions just want to say, hey, we're going to give up on Bitcoin. We're fine. We don't want to make, billions of dollars anymore because we think crypto's going to go away. No. What's happening is we're seeing these coins like Mana and Decentraland. We're seeing Facebook, looking to actually acquire land in Decentraland. We're seeing these big companies get into NFTs, into crypto. Guys, crypto's not going away. All that you're seeing right now is just a party of a time in your life where you need to be buying this up and getting into positions, because millionaires are going to be made off the next bull run. I'm just telling you guys, millionaires will be made, and it's the people who sell out now and get scared and they sell everything that are going to lose. Hold the positions. That's my personal opinion, guys. Hold positions. All right. I know this is a longer video, but I want to just give you guys everything. Guys, here's the deal. Get in over here and trade with me. I think you guys are really going to like it. I know that sounded really arrogant, but honestly, I think we have one of the best channels online here where we've never lost a trade. We've honestly never lost a trade. We have the highest win rate on YouTube. I'm almost positive that we've ever seen, because of the indicators, the metrics, and the risk management. Okay, guys? It's $49 a month. I am going to be upping this price because I know it's too cheap. It is way, 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 way too cheap. So get in here at $49 a month, and that'll grandfather you guys in. So when it goes to, $70, $80, $100, $200, whatever, I will keep you guys at $49 for those of you who have your membership, literally for life. As long as you don't unsubscribe and you don't reset the system and sign in again, you guys will literally be able to keep your membership for life for $49 when this goes up. This is definitely where you guys want to be sitting, okay? For your crypto journey, there's no better place. I'm just convinced of that, and I'm a little biased, obviously, but I think we have the highest win rate, and this will keep you guys safe, okay? This will give you guys access to the metrics. Here's where you want to be hanging out, however. It is on the live trades page here. Just click this, and it's going to give you guys a list of all the coins. We are looking to add Mana, which is Decentraland, and we're also looking to add AVAX, which is Avalanche, okay? We're looking to add those probably within the next 30 days. It could come out anytime. I'm working on the server right now and actually working to code the metrics in, and I'm getting everything dialed in. So that could come out any day, but I would say probably within the next 1 to 2 weeks. I would say that. Maybe next year. Okay, let's start this. Want you guys to watch, and by the way, when those go up, guys, I'm still keeping the membership the same. So you're just going to get as more increasing value as you guys get over here. Okay, all of our trade setups look the same. Price action is going to be in white, and then you guys are going to have 4 buy limits. 1 buy limit here, 2 buy limits, 3 buy limits, 4 buy limits, okay? Very simple with 1 sell limit. Here's what you're going to do. If you guys have $1,000 you want to trade with, simply split this into 4 equal portions, $250 each. If you have 4,000, it's just going to be $1,000. Like really, really simple stuff, guys. So once your first buy limit is hit, you want to keep the other buy limits where they're at. You don't want to move them, okay? This is perfectly balanced risk management at very crucial levels. Guys, it may look like these are evenly broken out here. These are set at Fibonacci retracements. They're set at quarters theory levels. They're set at bank levels. They're set at bot levels. They're also placed at whole numbers. And you guys want to follow these. Literally, the reason why we're so successful is because of this risk management in here, where the buy limits are placed and the indicators. So let's keep moving here. Once you have your buy limit set, place your sell limit up here for 100% exit in case that gets hit. Basically, this is like if crypto, honestly, guys, if crypto goes up again like it does like this, overnight, like it's obviously it's not going to be overnight, but it's going to seem like overnight we're going to see incredible shots up back here in the market, and people are going to make tens of thousands and millions of dollars. You want to set a sell limit up here just in case if that hits overnight and we're not able to exit. But here's what I want you guys to do too. Join me in the Telegram. This really is the last step so you guys can master trading over here. Sign up on Telegram on your phone or your computer first, just so you guys have an account. And then click this link right here, which will give you guys member-only access into our Telegram channel. That will give you a hot link into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with the indicators, okay? That is where you guys are taking profit, as well as I'm giving you guys insider info, if you will, into the markets of what I've seen. I've worked with hedge funds. I've worked with banks. I've worked with millionaire traders. I do it like on a weekly basis. I do coaching calls with millionaires. Like they want to get into a market and trade a system where they're not going to just lose their money in 3 weeks, okay? They want to trade something that they can feel confident in it, but also place a lot of money in where they're not just going to be losing it all. And plus, they want to see someone put some skin in the game. Like, honestly, guys, for me, $100,000 is a whole lot of money for me. Some people I coach have like 5, 10 million, $10 million in the market, and they're doing great. It's all relative, right? Even if you have $1,000 you're trading with, $1,000 is a ton of money as well for some of you guys. So I'm keeping our portfolios safe, and I understand you guys have worked your butts off for the money you're putting in here. And I'm going to just assume you don't really want to lose it. So I don't want to lose my money either, so I'm going to keep us safe in here. So that's what you guys need to do. Sign up for the membership of $49 a month, and then set up your buy limits, and then get over here into the Telegram channel where you guys are seeing me use the indicators. Here's the deal on indicators. There's no better deal right now. 81% off. Click this link right here and check out. It will give you 81% off all of our indicators. You want to have at minimum the trend exhaustion, the trend dashboard, and the price versus the well money flow, hands down. I don't take these off my charts. They're the best indicators for crypto. I hate this. I don't want to do this. I'm like putting myself in a place of promotion, and that's not what you're supposed to do. Let me say it another way. We've never lost a trade over here, and we have the highest win rate I can find on YouTube, okay? That should help give validity to the accuracy of the indicators and why you guys need them, okay? These indicators have helped us never lose a trade. They've also helped us with risk management. We exit when these indicators are high. We've called the last 13 drops on Ethereum and the last 9 drops on Dogecoin. And honestly, we can actually call this the 10th drop up here because we saw this over the weekend calling this move back down. Look at the accuracy of when this trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section and you have well money flow high here in green, you are most likely going to see a drop down. 80% to 85% of the time, you are going to see a drop. And then same thing, guys, when it's pushed down into the bottom red section here, this is when you see pumps in the market as well. You can see this happened over here when we got down, we started pumping back up. You even see it happen on a very small scale. The price is not heading down any further. It's actually moving back up in the market. And you can see this so accurately once you guys have these indicators. These are the three that you guys want, and don't take them off your charts. This is why we're not losing trades, okay? So guys, make sure you guys get the indicators before those go up in price, because I am going to be upping the price of these three in the coming months. Just get the bundle pack. That's the best deal. Get the bundle pack. Or at minimum these three indicators. You don't have to. Just at minimum these three, pay a few more dollars and you guys can get this. This is just the better deal. Make sure you guys are signing up with the membership before this goes up in price, and make sure you guys are setting up buy limits over here so you guys can join me in these trades and get into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits, okay? Let's watch this and let's stay hopeful, guys. If it goes down, we've got very good risk management, but if it moves straight back up, we could be seeing some very nice bull runs back in the market. So let's watch this. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing day. Get the indicators and the metric is in the description, the membership in the description, and then make sure you guys are joining the Telegram channel, excuse me, and setting up your indicators. If you have any questions, email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com, and I'll be right there to help. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Let's watch these markets and keep your head up because I think Dogecoin could see another pump here. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.